Hello everyone, I'm Aaron Janji Ramos from Bataan Peninsula State University main campus and currently enrolled in Computer Science section BSCS 1E in my Computer Programming 2 under the guidance of Professor Thomas Sanchez. Today it gives me the great pleasure to present my first GeoI project, a simple calculator developed using Java's Abstract Window Toolkit or AWT and event handling. Throughout this presentation, I'll show you how the calculator works and explain different parts like buttons and text field. And also talk about how we make things happen when you click on a button. That's called handling. So what is AWT? First of all, AWT is a set of APLs used by Java program to create graphical users interfaces. It provides a range component like windows, button, text field, more. Event handling. What is event handling? It is the mechanism that controls the events and decides what should happen when event occurs such as button clicks. So in this program, event handling is managed by action listener interface and overriding is action perform method. The object I use for AWT and event handling is frame, text field, label, and button. So frame is class is used to create a main window where the components of the calculator are placed. Text field is used to allow the user to input data. Button is represent a push button. So I put variables tf1, tf2, and label L1 and buttons as I use of 7 buttons B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, 6, 7. So what is public GUI project? It is a construction method for the GUI project class is called when an object of this class is created. So I set title to simple calculator to the GUI window to simple calculator and set size 400, 300 or 400 pixels wide or 300 pixels tall. Set layout null to set the layout manager to null layout allowing components to be manually positioned. So I set label 1 to label 1 equals to new label, enter value. And I set the position and size of the label within the windows. Set bounds 50, 50, 120, the size of the label. And I add label to the window. And step 1 equals to the text field. Es- Similarly, the construction setups label, text field, result label, and buttons with their respective position sizes. It is all position and sizes. So, what is add window listener? I put add window listener to add window listener to the frame. When the window is attempted to be closed, there's a window closing. System exit to terminate the program and set visible true to visibility of the window to true, making it visible to the user. So I set A to the first number, B to the second number, C is to the result. So if the and B1 is addition, B2 is subtraction, B3 is multiplication, I set the formula C equal to A plus B, C equal to A minus B, and etc. So I set the result to the letter C. So I run the program. Number value 1 is 123 plus 123 plus is run minus is 0. Multiply, it shows the result. Divide 1.0, 0. And if I want to clear the numbers, I basically click the clear. And if I want to exit, I exit. Invalid input because there's no number. 123, 123, and exit. If I don't want to calculate it. and I'm done. Thank you po. That's all. Thank you.